What a beautiful country. I really like wet weather, cold weather actually. Don't you think it's so beautiful? This is where I live, beautiful friend. Oh my god. I think people who can live in Switzerland, I would say they have got a very good karma because that's why God gave the best land to live. Because so beautiful, so peaceful country, so beautiful weather, cold weather, rainy, wet, and everything is available here. So it's not like in India it is so hot, but not in Kerala it's hot, but in the north.